Hey guys, I hope you are doing well. Alright, so on my previous videos I was talking about the truth, right? This word is very, very important and powerful. Basically, this word changed my viewpoint, my life. So I'm gonna show you the definition of the word. Alright, so this is the definition of the word truth, the quality or state of being true. Right, next one, that's which is true or in accordance with fact or reality. Tell me the truth. All right, let's look it up, the word true. All right, true. In accordance with fact or reality, a true story. Next one is accurate or exact. It was a true depiction. So I take the first one, in accordance with fact or reality. All right, so this word true, it came from Old English, from this word, be solid. So solid, right? Like you can touch it, you can see it, you can measure it, like, like real, right? Basically, by understanding this word, I could see more, I was having more reality about life. I could understand people better and be smarter, right?